Bonjour. In life, there are dates that carve themselves into our memory. Some mark joy, others mark loss, and a few mark moments that reshape us forever. Welcome to Chrysalis Voices with Meg. January 12th is one of those days. Today, we pause to remember the earthquake that struck Haiti, an event that shook not only the ground beneath our feet, but the very core of who we are as a people. We lost friends, we lost family, we lost landmarks, neighborhoods, and pieces of our history. But we also lost a sense of safety that many of us are still trying to rebuild. Whether you were in Haiti that day or watching from afar, the impact was universal. The grief traveled across oceans. The shock reached every corner of the Haitian diaspora. And the pain, personal, collective, generational, still echoes today. But remembrance is not just about looking back. It's about honoring the lives we lost, acknowledging the wounds that remain, and giving ourselves permission to mourn, still, even now. Healing is not a straight line. Healing is a journey we walk together. Today, I also reflect on the work of a Family Home Haiti Outreach Mission experience. Although we were not physically present on January 12th, our mission made several trips in the aftermath, standing beside survivors, offering support, and doing what we could to help rebuild lives that had been shattered in seconds. I think especially of the social workers in action during that time. We were not just providing services, we were providing humanity. We were helping survivors return home with dignity, even when home no longer looked or felt the same. We were creating discharge plans for people who had lost limbs, arms, legs, mobility, independence, and were now returning to families who were grieving, overwhelmed, and unsure of what the future would hold. Also, I remember something else, something small but powerful. There were moments when social workers organized activities with families, moments when, after the tears and heavy conversations, music would play, and we would dance, we would laugh, we would breathe again, even just for a moment. And I still hear someone's reflection from that time who said, I don't get it. These social workers, one minute they have people crying, and the next minute they have them dancing and laughing. But that is the work. That is the balance. That is the sacred space between pain and hope. Social workers know that healing is not about choosing one emotions over one another. It is about holding both, staying with the pain long enough to honor it, but also creating room for joy, for movement, for life to return in small, gentle ways. It is about reminding people that even in grief, the spirit can rise. Even in loss, connection can still be found. Even in devastation, there can be moments of light. Today, as we remember January 12, 2010, 16 years later, we honor both the devastation, and the determination. We honor the tears and the triumphs. We honor the lives lost and the lives we built. We honor the helpers, the healers, the social workers, the volunteers, the families, and the survivors who continue to teach us what strength truly looks like. We honor those families who came to the United States, who we were able to lend a hand and help to a family. Today is not just a day of mourning, it is a day of reflection, a day of unity, a day of healing. As we move forward, may we carry with us a renewed commitment to support one another, to uplift our communities, and to continue the work of rebuilding, not just structures, but spirits. We remember, we mourn, we heal, we rise. This is Chrysalis Voices with Meg. Until next time, take care.
I woke up, the sun will shine, a new story to be mine. Left the pain behind, starting anew. The future's ours, just believe it's true. We are made to shine, to dream, to win. Every step's a start for us to begin. Nothing can stop us now, we'll find our way. Together we'll rise brighter every day. In the mirror, who I become, stronger, wiser, on the run. Through highs and lows, we'll stand tall. With every heartbeat, we'll give it all. We are made to shine, to dream, to win. Every step's a start for us to begin. Nothing can stop